Meaning of genuflection.
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 Genuflection. Genuflection is a noun that refers to the act of bending one or both knees to the ground as a sign of reverence or worship. It is commonly practiced in religious ceremonies, such as during Mass in the Catholic Church. Genuflection is a physical gesture that expresses humility and respect towards a higher power or authority. It is also used outside of religious contexts to indicate submission or deference towards someone or something. In summary, genuflection is a specific type of gesture that conveys respect, reverence, and submission.